So it is dip week at the Bergs, and I'm excited about dips because not only is it fun and it adds a little pizzazz if you're having sort of a mundane diet, you're eating the same thing every day. You don't want to eat the same thing every day, do you?
Well, yeah, I could.
He does. He eats the exact same thing every day, not me. But also the holidays are coming up, so we've been making some things that you can serve to your company. Now, this is the Festive sardine dip. Okay, I saw some of those faces immediately,
Sardine
like this.
holiday dip.
Holiday dip. But for those of you who like sardines,
I love sardines.
he loves sardines.
Omega-3.
Hates blue cheese, loves sardines.
It's good.
He's saying it's good. And I'm going to trust him on that. I might
Great.
try it at some point.
You got to try it. So they have wild caught sardines. Those are the kinds that you want. How was it? I love it. I don't like blue cheese, but I like these.
Could you get the blue cheese? It is.
So you don't like it?
You know what? It's not as fishy as I thought it would be. It's a little more tuna fishy than fishy, but
for those of you
I would pass on that myself.
Well, if there's people that like it, they'll make it.
Oh yeah, sardines, smoked oysters are great to use on the holiday, and caviar. We can do a really simple recipe on with caviar, and so there you go. It's your holiday sardine dip.
Let's show you how to make it.
I'm gonna show you how to make it.
Okay, so to get the recipe,
Click the link below. Hey Charlie, click the link below.
check it out.